Hello students, welcome to fifth semester classes. So, my name is Anil Kulle. I am the senior lecturer of Mechanical Department, GEMS Polytechnic College. Here, we'll study one of the subject that is metrology quality control. The subject code is 1625504. So, before going to talk about the subject, just little bit introduction of the subject we will hear here. Right. So what is metrology and quality control? There is a metrology, it is a part A, and then metrology quality control, it is part B. Right. Now first we will study about the metrology and then quality control. Quality control depends on metrology only. Right. So we'll discuss metrology. Right. So if every product, when we are going to as an industry, if you are going in a mechanical engineer, if you are work in an industry or somewhere, so yeah, the industries they are making a products. Their workshops, maybe small shops also. They are making a products. If they are making a products, they need a measurement, right? They need a measurement, maybe length, height, weight, whatever it may be, right? So measurement is the most important thing. Measurement is a most important thing. So measurement is not only length, breadth, height, weight. It is conditions, means atmospheric conditions, how much temperature, and then how much pressure, how much humidity. The all will also comes into the measurement. All will comes into the measurement. Right? For example, if you take a metal, we are all mechanical engineers. We will talk about a metal. If you metal, suppose we are measuring the length, or maybe we are measuring the weight in the hot condition. Maybe temperature is very high. When we are checking the metal conditions, that time what happened, because of the thermal expansion, the measurement will be very in hot condition, as like as in cold condition also thermal expansion will be low. So that's why that will give a another measurements. These are the things, right? These are the things we will study in the metrology, right? So in metrology is basically three things, that is standards, next one is measuring instruments, and then measuring process. The three things is main important in the metrology. Now I will enter into our subject, that is unit number 1, introduction to metrology, and the lecture 1, definition, objectives and applications. Content of the lecture: definition of metrology and objectives of metrology and applications of metrology. So these are the content in this lecture. First of all, we will study definition of metrology. Definition of metrology. So metrology, where these words came. So it is derived from Greek words such as metro, measurement, logy, science. It is a Greek word. Metro, it means measurement. Logy, it means science. So measurement of science. So what is the definition of metrology? Metrology is a science of measurement. Metrology is a science of measurement. Right. So measurement will comes under not only product dimensions, all the things, whatever you are making a product, all the things including atmospheric conditions, tests and everything, that will come into the measurement. Suppose as in a mechanical engineers, we are going to conduct a test, right? What test? Destructive test or non-destructive test also will be there. That will also will come into the metrology in a measurement. Suppose destructive test. What are the destructive tests? Destructive tests are tensile test, compressive test, hardness test, torsion test. These all will comes into the measurement, right? So purely we are study on the measurement. That science we call as a metrology. Suppose if you go any hospitals, and you will see as a gynecology, physiology, psychology, the things will be there on the walls. The same thing as a mechanical engineers, we have one of the subject, one of the topic, that is metrology. It is metrology. So it is concentrated with the establishment, reproduction, conservation, and units of measurement. So not only the measurement, it will be concentrating on the establishment. If you change your units, maybe inches to mm, maybe mm to centimeter, maybe another units, that will be helpful, this metrology. And then reproduction also it will be helpful. Maybe we are making a products, maybe after a few days, after a few years, maybe you want to change your product style. Customer wants to different products, right? That is very important. And then conservation and units of measurement. What are units you are using? For example, if we are all buying oil packets, right? So if you see backside of the oil packet, 1 liter, the showing 1 liter, but at 30 degrees centigrade, it will give maybe 910 grams, maybe 920 grams, 950 grams. If corresponding temperature you can check, that will give a 910 grams, maybe 920 grams. That is equivalent to 1 liter. That is an equivalent to 1 liter, right? So these are same things we are applicable in the metrology. So products and everything will be in the comes into the metrology. So if we are seeing in the pictures, some of the pictures are on the screen. So dial gauges, and then vernier calipers, pitch gauge, and then screw gauge, right? These are the instruments to measure the products. This is the definition of metrology. It comes purely, it means science of measurement. Metrology is a science of measurement. Objectives of metrology. First point, establish the units of measurement. Suppose we are going to make a build up in an industry, we are going to start an industry or workshop. So units measurement is must. Suppose if you are showing the products backside, length is this much, height is this much, and the weight is this much, certain temperature, that units must be established before itself. That is the main objective of metrology. Metrology will help in that. So units measurement. Next one, to achieve standardization. Suppose in a market is a competitive world. In a competitive world, so we have to achieve a standardization. We have to recognize with a whatever the government is assigned particular agencies. We have to certify through the agencies. Running in a company, so that may be in a quality standard, that यू हैव टू मेंटेन ए स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन। हम लोग अगर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन अगर नहीं होते हैं तो हमारा कंपनी का रिपुटेशन बाहर में जाके तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा। सो मेट्रोलॉजी विल हेल्प इन दैट टू अचीव अवर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन, टू अचीव स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन। Next, find and correct errors in measurement. Find and correct errors in measurement. Suppose if any error occurs, either another products, हम लोग ने प्रोडक्ट्स में भी हो, अगर हम लोग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स में भी अगर एरर्स आते हैं, वो एरर्स फाइंड करने के लिए हम लोग ने यूज कर सकते। मीन्स maybe instruments may be not good, maybe you are done good way in the products. So while we have to check the instruments errors also, maybe whenever the calibration dates will be there, whenever the warranty will be there, we have guarantee will be there, that everything we have to check. So that metrology will help that one, so to find and correct any measurement. Next, study the measuring instruments. Yes, so if you are going to check the product, so you need a measuring instruments. So in this in our syllabus also they included some of the instruments, like as a linear instruments, measuring angular instruments, and gear instruments, and screw thread, right? These are the instruments will be helpful for the to conduct dimensions on the things, right? Really measuring instruments is the play a major role in a metrology. Right. Next one, determine the accuracy and precision of measuring instruments and at the time of inspection. This is really one of the important concept in the metrology. Later we will study about accuracy and precision. This is the point very much important while we are measuring the products and while we are calibrating the instruments also, right? Determine the accuracy. So if your instruments have a good accuracy, you can check when we are checking the products, so that will be accurate readings. अगर एक्यूरेसी नहीं होते हैं आपका इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को, तो आप चेक करने के टाइम में तो बहुत दिक्कत होगा, क्योंकि दैट विल गिव एन एरर्स, वो आपको एरर दे सकते हैं। ये आपका हम लोग ने मेजरमेंट का इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को हमने डिटरमाइन करने के लिए हमने मेट्रोलॉजी यूज हो सकते हैं। सो एक्यूरेसी एंड प्रिसिशन. So what is accuracy? Accuracy means it will be a true value. ट्रू वैल्यू का हमारा नजदीक में रहते हैं उसको एक्यूरेसी करते हैं. प्रिसिशन क्या है? तो प्रिसिशन माने हमारा वो हमारा ट्रू वैल्यू को बगल में नहीं रह सकता है, वो जाता है वो दूसरा वैल्यू देते हैं, बट वो दूसरा वैल्यू सारा कुछ जो है एक ही सिमिलर वैल्यू हो सकते हैं, राइट. एक्यूरेसी में एक्यूरेसी तो रहना जरूरी है मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को. नेक्स्ट वन, स्टडी द इंडस्ट्रियल एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ मेट्रोलॉजी एंड इट्स वेरियस टेक्निक्स. सो इंडस्ट्रियल एप्लीकेशंस में हमारा क्या क्या हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, तो कौन सा मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं, सो कौन सा हमारा जा रहा है, तो ये पूरा टेक्निक्स क्या क्या टेक्निक्स यूज कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि अगर सपोज मेरा पास उसमें एक इंडस्ट्री हमने एस्टेब्लिश करना चाहते हैं, एक दिन में हम 10 प्रोडक्ट्स हम रिलीज मार्केट में डिलीवरी करते हैं, दूसरा कंपनी वो 25 प्रोडक्ट्स डिलीवर करेगा, तो वो तो टेक्निक्स यूज कर रहा है. तो सेम what are the techniques they are using in the industry, so what is the applications of related applications to the metrology. That will be study in this metrology. Metrology will help in this and application study of the industrial applications. Next, study design, manufacturing, and testing of gauges of all kinds. So, metrology also is helpful to study the design. So, you are making a product. So, how it will be designed, how it will be shape will be there, how much weight it will be there. So, how it react with the atmospheric conditions. Design when we are releasing this product, so customer will be how they will react. This all will comes into the design part and the manufacturing. So while you are making the manufacture, maybe in CNC machines, maybe manual methods. So how we are manufacturing these products. Testing of gauges. Testing after you are making the products, that will go for a testing. So it will be good or not, right? It will be good or not. That will be in metrology, and then used for minimizing the cost of inspection. So the main objective is metrology is to minimize the cost of inspection, right? So when we are conducting inspections, if you reduce the minimizing cost, that will be good for the company, because of inspection, where it inspection will start from the raw material onwards to until complete the finished products to deliver the market up to going on, because of whenever into the raw material we are also inspect the raw material is good or bad, and then every stages inspection is in every stages. So cutting and then grinding and then turning and then milling and then slotting, every stage will be there. Every stage, suppose we are using a better techniques, better applications, will reduce the cost of the inspection, so this is one of the subject, one of the topic we study in a quality control in detail. Applications of metrology. While the basic objective of measurement is to provide the required accuracy at minimum cost, right? This is the main objective of metrology. मिनिमम कॉस्ट जितना हो सकता है उतना कम पे हमने ग्रेटर एक्यूरेसी मीन्स हम लोग ने देना जरूरी है। ऐसे नहीं है कि हमको सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल एक हमारा पास में मेजरमेंट करने वाला है, तो उसका कॉस्ट है सपोज वन डिवाइस है, डिवाइस ए दैट कॉस्ट इज 1 लाख रुपी, अनदर डिवाइस बी दैट कॉस्ट इज 10,000 रुपीज. You want accuracy up to 0.01 mm for one product. Another product you want 0.1 mm. So the 0.01 mm, whenever the accuracy is need, that time we will use a device 1 lakh rupee device. So whenever we need accuracy 0.1 mm, it is a lakh's accuracy. That time you can use less accuracy, means less amount of device, means that is 10,000 rupees. So that will give a what happened, that will give a minimizing the cost. Otherwise what happened, so if you go for 0.1 mm device, 0.1 mm accuracy you want, you go for 1 lakh rupee machine, that will be maximum cost. So this is keeping in mind required accuracy at a minimum cost. And then metrology would have further application in a modern engineering plant with different shops, like as a tool room में भी यूज कर सकते हैं, and then machine shops, press shops, plastic shops, pressure dyeing, casting shop, electroplating and painting shop, assembly shop, and also research development and engineering development. So these are the applications of metrology. So these are all the thing in all these applications we are using a metrology because of in tool rooms, you know that whatever the tools they are making, that also will be helpful for the metrology. And then same our development research में भी इसको use होते हैं. हम लोग अभी तक ये लेक्चर में हम लोग क्या क्या देखे हैं, जस्ट एक ब्रीफली हम लोग शॉर्ट आउट करें, राइट. So metrology is a science of measurement. So please remember, maybe objective questions they will ask like this: what is metrology? Science of measurement, science of physiology, science of like that they will ask the question. So metrology means it is a science of measurement. So study the objectives also. It is a units of measurement and achieve standardization. Find the correct errors. Determine the accuracy and precision. Determine the accuracy and precision also. And study the industrial application and study the design, manufacturing, testing of gauges, minimizing the cost of the inspection. These are the all objectives of metrology, right? Objectives of metrology. And then we studied the applications also, right? Whenever the main objective of this application of metrology is required accuracy at a minimum cost, and then they are using as a tool rooms, and then machine shops and press shops, electroplating, painting shops, assembly shops. Not only not in that is also here metrology will help in this applications, research and development in a organizations. So these are the applications of metrology. These are the applications of metrology. These are the reference books: Metrology and Quality Control by Ram Manohar Pandey, Foundation publication also, and Metrology and Quality Control by Paras E. Palastakar, DJ publications. A textbook of metrology by Mahazan, Dhanpat Rai and Sons. Engineering Metrology by R.K. Jain, Khanna publisher, Delhi. This is for engineering level students. You are also referred for this metrology subject. And Professor Dr. Kanikapaya Saraswappa, Department of Industrial and Production Engineering, Babuji Institute of Engineering and Technology, Devangiri. So this is from the NPTEL lectures also, and then notes also was available. The given description link. Thank you, students. In this lecture, we studied definition and objectives and applications. Next class, we will study categories of metrology. What are the types of metrologies, or classification of metrologies, or category of metrology? So, we will study in lecture number 2. Thank you.